Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Polygon Matic. The currently price of the Polygon Matic, the price change occur in the Polygon Matic. In this video I will show you friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please I request all of you that please click the subscribe button for more this kind of news and updates friends. Thank you so much for subscribing Abby's Tech channel. I know you all subscribe my channel, that is why I'm telling you thank you so much once again friends. And let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the currently registered price of the Polygon Matic. As you can see here, 1.16 USD dollar is the currently price of the Polygon. And on the other hand, if you look, the price changes occur in the Polygon, so absolutely the price change is going better. And now the good pumps, the good time of the Polygon is starting now. So if you want to buy Polygon, so I think it's a big opportunity for all of you to buy Polygon. On the other hand, if you look, the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day price change is also positive, last 1 week change is positive. That's mean that the Polygon Matic is only take a jump in the market friends. As you can see here, the graph tells us that it's clearly the graph tells us clear that they goes to the moon. As you can see here, they start gradually start moving upward. But remember that my friends, my prediction is that the very urgent and quick pump, quick jump of the Polygon Matic are coming soon. So please active in the market and be aware from any update friends. For any updates, click the subscribe button. I will update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies news friends. And friends, if you look, the price changes occur in the Polygon Matic. So as you can see here, 37.08% positive change occur in the Polygon Matic in the last 1 day. Same like that, the highest price is 1.18 USD dollar friends. So at this time, the Polygon Matic is the best cryptocurrencies in the market, which is moving upward. So if you want to invest in a Polygon Matic, so absolutely that's a good decision for all of you friends. What's your prediction about Polygon? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.